South America is a continent located in the Western Hemisphere, primarily in the Southern Hemisphere. It is bordered by the Pacific Ocean to the west, the Atlantic Ocean to the east, and is connected to the North America by the narrow Isthmus of Panama. Here are some interesting facts about South America. Size and population. South America is the fourth largest continent, covering an area of approximately 17.8 million kilometers or 6.9 million square miles. It is home to around 430 million people, making it the fifth most populous continent. Countries. South America consists of 12 countries. First, Argentina. Next, Brazil. Bolivia. Chile. Colombia. Ecuador. Guyana. Paraguay. Peru. Suriname. Uruguay. And Venezuela. Additionally, French Guiana is an overseas territory of France. Geographic diversity. The continent boasts diverse landscapes ranging from the vast Amazon rainforest and the Andes Mountains to the expansive grasslands of the Pampas and the desert of Atacama. It is also home to numerous rivers, including the Amazon, which is the world's largest river by volume. Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest, located primarily in Brazil, is the world's largest tropical rainforest, covering a significant portion of South America. It is renowned for its incredible biodiversity, hosting numerous plant and animal species, many of which are unique to the region. Languages. Spanish is the most widely spoken language in South America, with Portuguese being the official language of Brazil. However, several other indigenous languages are spoken by various indigenous communities across the continent. Cultural heritage. South America has a rich cultural heritage influenced by the indigenous people who inhabited the region long before the arrival of European colonizers. The continent showcases a vibrant blend of indigenous, European, African, and Asian cultures, resulting in diverse traditions, music, dance, cuisine, and festivals. Soccer passion. South Americans are passionate about soccer, or football as it is commonly known. The continent has produced some of the world's greatest footballers, and the sport holds a central place in the cultural fabric of many countries. Countries like Brazil and Argentina are particularly renowned for their football prowess. Historical sites. South America is home to several remarkable historical sites. the ancient Inca citadel of Machu Picchu in Peru, the archaeological site of Tiwanaku in Bolivia, the colonial city of Cartagena in Colombia, and the Christ the Redeemer statue in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Natural wonders. The continent features breathtaking natural wonders. The stunning Iguazu Falls located on the border between Argentina and Brazil. The Uyuni Salt Flats in Bolivia. The Galapagos Islands of the coast of Ecuador. And the Torres del Paine National Park in Chile. Economic resources. South America possesses significant natural resources, including oil, natural gas, minerals such as copper, gold, and silver, and agricultural products such as coffee, soybeans, and beef. These resources play a crucial role in the continent's economy. These are just a few highlights of the diverse and fascinating continent of South America, which offers a wealth of natural beauty, cultural heritage, and unique experiences. Please comment below if there's updated list of countries in South America.